For my spooky witch look, I'm going to be adding one mesh contact lens on my left eye and one Manson contact lens on my right. I'm going to try and put them in, so bear with me. What I tend to do is pull my left lid down and look up. Now I've done my left eye, now for the right. Voila! Finally! I feel prettier already, honestly. Good old latex. I'm going to be using tissue to build up the stitch lips. I kind of want to go for like the voodoo thing, so. And then I'm going to use cotton wool to give a bit of texture. Let's do this. Guilty pleasure.
Guilty pleasure.
I'm going to be using spit gum just to stick on this prosthetic nose. Pretty decent stuff. Takes a while to dry though, but it's worth it. I'm just going to put it all the way around the edges here. Time for the application.
If you see the witch is long.
Now I'm just going to use red face paint just to like paint in between here. I'm going to use some string just to make like stitches across here. So I'm just going to cut some and just stick them on with latex. I'm going to be putting concealer on my nose so I can like match it with my skin colour. I'm going to be using a glue stick to flatten my eyebrows so I can draw on some new ones. I think another what will do. I'm going to try and get these even. I've once been told they're not twins, they're sisters. Gotta bear that in mind. guys liked my spooky witch tutorial. Please feel free to like my video. I'll see you guys soon.